is my privilege to officially announce the launch of N brand in China. It is our most important vehicle with championship-winning success in motorsport. This motorsport's DNA lives within every vehicle. The motorsport energy is what N offers to the Chinese car community. The main stores will be built in Shanghai, Beijing, and Guangzhou to invite customers to fully engage in experience and test drive the Elantra N. And the Elantra N initiates our first connection with the Chinese car community. And yet, the launch of the new Elantra N for us is only a beginning. A new N model will be introduced to the Chinese market every year. Electrified N models will hit the market from 2024 to set the new standard of high-performance EV. With N, you will never just drive. Thank you for listening. 谢谢大家。